Welcome to English class. Hope all are fine and doing good. So, my dear children, previous class we have studied grammar book, no children. We have learned about comparisons. No children, previous class we have learned about describing words and comparisons from the grammar book. So, today we focus on textbook. Okay, children. In textbook, open page number 99 children. Open page number 99. Unit 5. Unit 5 up to Unit 4 we finished from the textbook. Today we look into Unit 5. Okay. See the title of lesson. Rain, rain. Page number 99. Okay children. Listen carefully. Tap, tap, tap. Abhi heard the sound of water drops. He opened the window. Cool breeze touched him. Water drops also entered the room. Wow, it's raining, shouted Abhi. He jumped from the bed. He started running out. Abhi, don't go out. Don't go out in the rain, Abhi's mother shouted. Abhi didn't listen to his mother. Stop, Abhi, you'll catch cold, shouted Abhi's mother. Abhi ran out. Sweetie followed him. Tap, tap, tap. It is the sound of water drops. When it rains, Abby heard the sound of water drops. Abby heard the sound of water drops. Tap, tap, tap. He opened the window. He opened the window. Cool breeze touched him. As soon as he opened the window, cool breeze touched him. Water drops also entered the room. Wow, it's raining, shouted Abby. He jumped from the bed. What he did? After seeing outside, he jumped from the bed. He started running out. He jumped from the bed and started running out. Abhi, don't go out. Abhi's mother shouting on Abhi. Abhi, don't go out. Don't go out in the rain. Abhi's mother shouted. Abhi did not listen to his mother. Stop, Abhi, you'll catch cold, shouted Abhi's mother. Abhi ran out. Abhi didn't listen to his mother and he ran out. What he saw outside? It was raining. He wants to play in the rain. So what he did? After seeing outside, he jumped from the bed and he started running out. Abhi's mother shouted, don't go out, Abhi. Then also Abhi ran out. He didn't listen to his mother and he ran out. Sweetie also followed him. Sweetie also followed Abby. Chitu also ran out with Abby. Now, open page number 50, children, from the textbook, Unit 5. Page number 50, Unit 5. See the heading, see the lesson name, Rain, Rain. Unit 5, Rain, Rain. Look at the picture and answer the question given below. So, here the picture, children. Observe it carefully. I know, children, because the picture is, it's raining heavily. It is a picture of small village. See there? Small house. It is dry and moving. And some are standing under the tree. It is a picture of small village. And it's heavily in coats. Some are standing under the tree. To make Duki right. Now see, same, no children, same. Some are standing under the tree, some are carrying umbrellas and going cold. Okay. Now we'll move to next picture. See, children, here. Look at the picture and answer the questions given below. What's the picture is just now? Just now we read the topic, no children. Who is this boy? He is Abhi. So after hearing the sound of water drops, tap tap tap, what Abhi did? He opened the window and saw it's raining. No, see Abhi, see, he opened the window and seeing outside. It's raining. What do you see in the picture? What is there in the picture, children? The boy, Abhi, opened the windows and seeing outside. It is raining outside. What will the boy do now? What Abhi did, children? Just now we read in that lesson now. What Abhi did after hearing the sleep, Mummy came out. Why? Because he wants to play in the rain. There are some questions, children. Try to answer these questions. Why did Abhi jump from the bed? Why did Abhi jump from the bed? Because he wants to play in the rain. It's raining outside. So Abhi wants to come out and play in the rain. That's why Abhi jumped from the bed. What did Abhi's mother say? What did Abhi's mother say? Abhi's mother said not to go out. Again he'll catch cold. Abhi's mother said not to go out. Did he listen? Did Abby listen? No. Then also he came out of the house. What do you like to do when it rains? What we like to do, children? Even we also like to go outside and enjoy the rain, no children? Even I like to do like that. Even I feel to play in the rain. What about you, children? You all like to play in the rain, no children? We'll move to next page, see children. Rain, rain. It's raining. It is raining on the houses, roads, and hills. There is rain on the flowers, fruits, and leaves. It is raining on the green grass. Children, where it is raining? It's raining on the houses, roads, and hills. On flowers, fruits, and leaves. It's raining on the green grass. Where it is raining? Where is it raining? It is raining on the houses, roads, and hills, flowers, fruits, and leaves, and green grass. Okay? It's raining. You want to go out. How will you go? It's raining. You want to go out. How will you go? How will go? We take umbrella or we wear raincoat. If we want to play, we won't take umbrella. We won't wear raincoat. No, children? If we want to keep ourselves dry, so we'll carry umbrella and we wear raincoat and we'll go out in the rain. No? There are water droplets on the green grass and they are shining. If we see water droplets, not only on the green grass, children, if we see water droplets on the flowers, leaves, grass, how it looks? It looks like pearls, no children? Here also, see, there are water droplets on the green grass and they are shining. They shine like pearls only, no children? See, see the picture here, children. See the children, how they are enjoying, no? See, they are making paper boats and floating. See how they are playing in the water, jumping in the water. Very nice picture, no, children? Now here also see, observe this picture. Here also they are making paper boats. They're jumping, dancing, enjoying the rain. Now, children, see, Abhi and Sidhu are floating paper boats. See, Abhi and Sidhu, what they are doing? They are floating paper boats. Some children are jumping. Some are jumping. Sweetie and Snoopy are also playing with the children. Sweetie and Snoopy also came out with the children. They are also enjoying with the children. Children are splashing water on each other. What they are doing? They are splashing water on each other. They are happy playing the rain. They are very much happy playing in the rain. They are enjoying. They are enjoying playing in the rain. See, try to answer this question, children. What are the boys floating? The boys are floating paper boats. What other things are the children doing? What other things they are doing? They are jumping, they are playing, they are splashing water on each other. Who will are playing with the children? Who will are playing with children? Sweetie and Snoopy. Do you like playing in the rain? Yes. Yes, no children. Do you like playing in the rain? Yes, we all like playing in the rain. How do you enjoy in the rain? How we enjoy? How we enjoy in the rain? Same. We will also jump. We will also play. We also splash water on each other. No, children? Now, see, children. Meena is standing in the veranda. Meena is standing in the veranda. She is looking at the children. Meena is standing in the veranda and looking at the children. She too wants to play in the rain. Here children are playing, the children. Children are playing in the rain, no? They are playing, they are jumping, then they are floating papers, the children. Meena is watching those children. Nicely, they are enjoying the rain. They are playing, they are jumping in the rain. Meena is watching from the veranda. So, Meena also wants to join with the. She is looking at the children. She too wants to play in the rain. She also wants to play in the rain with the children. I also want to play, Amma. Meena is saying to Mummy, her mother. Meena is saying to her mother, I also want to play, Amma. After saying that, what Meena did? Hutch. Meena asked her mother, but mother says, don't go out in the rain. You're sneezing. What Meena mother says? Don't go out in the rain. You're sneezing. Already Meena has cold and Meena is sneezing. That's why Meena's mother said not to go out in the rain. Meena wants to play. She gets an idea. Then also Meena wants to play. She got one idea. She gets an idea. See here, why does mother not allow Meena to go out in the rain? Why Meena's mother not allowed Meena to go out in the rain? Because Meena has cold and she is sneezing. What an idea do you think Meena gets? What an idea, children? Meena wants to go out. She got one idea that she carried one umbrella and she wants to go out with the umbrella. Okay. Now, Meena joined the other children. Meena took the umbrella and she joined with the children. But she's not wet. Because, why she's not wet? Because she's carrying umbrella. Because she's under an umbrella. That's why she's not wet. Okay. Where is Meena in the picture? Now, where is Meena? Is she in the veranda now? No. Now she is in the rain. No. But she's not wet because she is under an umbrella. Why is Meena not jumping or running? Because she has cold. Why is Meena not wet? Because she is under an umbrella. That's why Meena is not wet. Meena is turning her umbrella round and round. She takes Sweetie in her arms. Meena is turning her umbrella round and round. She takes Sweetie in her arms. Do you enjoy this lesson, children? Nice, no? Okay, children. Some more bits are there in this lesson. Next class we'll see those bits. Today's class will finish up to here, children. Okay. Okay, children. Take care. God bless you all. And thank you.